Imagine fitness creator Jesse James West waking up tomorrow, walking into his bathroom, and realizing the athletic physique he spent years building has vanished overnight. The broad shoulders are gone. The abs have disappeared. He's left with a soft chest and a midsection that makes a t-shirt hang awkwardly. He looks both skinny and fat at the same time. If that happened, what would a professional actually do to rebuild it? We are looking for the protocol Jesse would follow Rebelity, stripped of influencer trends or supplement company marketing. Most people in this position work incredibly hard, yet they often find themselves stuck because their effort is being applied to a process that doesn't actually change their body's composition. The most common reaction to feeling soft is a panicked attempt to burn it away, usually involving aggressive calorie restriction and relentless daily cardio. This chart shows the result of that approach after 6 months. The person hasn't transformed, they've simply shrunk into a smaller, weaker version. Intense cardio and heavy deficits strip away mass, but provide the body no biological reason to retain or construct new muscle tissue. The skinny fat condition is a muscle deficiency problem. Until the body is given a stimulus to build, losing weight only results in a smaller version of an unathletic frame. Jesse's first step would be establishing a foundation of resistance training. He would focus on getting stronger at basic movements like rows, squats, and push-ups to signal the body to prioritize muscle growth. He would also stop the daily obsession with abdominal training. Crunches and sit-ups cannot alter the shape of the midsection if the underlying issue is a lack of overall body proportion. This diagram shows the V-taper, the basis for an aesthetic look, relying on proportion. Prioritizing shoulder and back width expands the upper frame, making the waistline appear narrower by mathematical contrast, even if its size hasn't changed. Building the upper frame creates an athletic silhouette much faster than attempting to strip every ounce of body fat from the stomach. The fitness industry loves complexity. It's easy to spend months researching detoxes, meal timing, and hacks, while ignoring the two variables that actually drive progress. The first priority is a high-protein diet. Protein provides the biological building blocks necessary to construct the muscle tissue stimulated during training. High-protein intake also simplifies fat loss. Because protein is highly satiating, it naturally reduces the hunger and cravings that typically lead to overeating junk food. The second priority is a significant increase in daily walking, replacing high-intensity cardio routines. Walking burns calories consistently without the physical stress that interferes with recovery. It allows the body to stay in a fat-burning state without sacrificing the strength needed for lifting. Focusing on protein and walking allows the body to build the muscular engine and reduce excess fat at the same time, thereby avoiding the exhaustion of extreme dieting. This graph tracks the first 2 weeks. Effort is high, but visual progress is 0. By week 3, changes are internal. Muscles feel firmer, though unseen. Week 4 is the tipping point. Visible results finally create momentum to keep going. This first month requires psychological endurance. Physical changes only become visible once the initial period of invisible internal progress is complete. Social media suggests that successful people wake up feeling motivated every morning. In reality, motivation is a fluctuating emotion that disappears when things get difficult. Success is the mechanical execution of your plan on days when motivation vanishes. It's training and eating well, even when you don't feel like it. Jesse's entire approach can be simplified into 3 rules. Lift weights consistently, eat enough protein, and stay active every day. Complex plans are often abandoned under stress. Simple fundamentals are easy to repeat, and consistent repetition is the only thing that builds a lasting physique.